both have blindfolds on.
Ow! Ow!
What was that? I didn't know.
What is that noise? Why is it so cold and chunky and gross?
What was that? Nothing.
Take off your blindfolds.
What? What happened?
I don't know.
Did you do this?
Yeah, no. No.
Are you sure?
No.
Whatever.
Oh, guys, doing the